I am Teacher John with Cambly Kids. Now, welcome back to another video. We are so happy to have you. Now, today we're going to be learning about telling our friends and family about our vacations. Now, I love vacations. So let's practice using some of our past tense words as we explain our favorite trips and vacations. Now, first, have you ever been on a vacation? You have? Good, me too. I love vacations. Now, I'm going to tell you about a story about one of my vacations. Is that okay? Yes? Okay, thank you. Now, first, I went to Hawaii. Can you practice? I went to Hawaii. Good, very good. Now, maybe you went somewhere different, but we can still use the past tense word went. So let's practice. I went to Japan. Or I went to Spain. I went to Mexico. Good. So we can use that word, past tense, I went, to talk about all the different places that we have been. Oh, I hear a question. How did you get to Hawaii? Good question. That's a very good question. So I flew on a plane. Let's practice. I flew on a plane. I flew on a plane. Now, have you ever been on a plane? I like planes. I like planes. What about you? Do you like planes? You do? Yeah, planes are fun. Very good. Now, when I got to Hawaii, I needed a place to stay, right? Yeah, I needed a place to sleep. So I stayed in a hotel. Let's practice. I stayed in a hotel. Good. Now, one of my favorite activities in Hawaii was going to the beach. Oh, I love the beach. I love the beach. It's so much fun. Now, we can use our past tense verb again, went. So I say, I went to the beach. I went to the beach. Oh, I hear another question. What did you do at the beach? Another good question. Thank you. Thank you. Another good question. So I swam in the ocean. Yeah, I swam in the ocean. Now, what about you? Do you like swimming? You do? Yeah, me too. I love swimming. I love swimming. Now, in Hawaii, I also swam in the pool. Some people like the pool, some like the ocean. Okay, good. Now, do you have another question about my vacation? What did I see in Hawaii? Oh, that's a great question. What did I see in Hawaii? I saw birds. I saw birds flying. Yeah. So we can say I saw birds. I saw sea turtles. I saw sea turtles and they were swimming. I saw crabs. I saw crabs on the beach. I even saw fields of delicious pineapple. Do you like pineapple? I love pineapple. Pineapple is delicious. Yes, so I saw many things. Something else I did in Hawaii was I rode my bike. Yeah. Can you ride a bike? You can. I love riding bikes. So let's practice. I rode my bike. I rode my bike. Very good. So today we practiced many past tense words that we can use with our vacations to tell people about our vacations. So let's practice. I went to Hawaii. I went to the beach. I swam in the pool. I rode my bike. I saw birds, I saw turtles, and I saw pineapple. And I stayed in a hotel. So you can use these words and tell your friends and your family all about your fun vacations. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly Kids gives you instant access to amazing native English teachers and speakers, ones who are kid-friendly, just like me. I love kids. So ask your parents to schedule a lesson with me using the link below. And I will see you next time. Bye!